Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or concerns, you can shoot me an email, scrollsoftvideo@gmail.com, or leave a comment in the section below. Now, granted, I'm going to be getting a new banner here really soon, so I'm going to have a new email address to display, in which is going to be tacodesigns@gmail.com. You can get in touch with me there also. So, this video, I'm going to do a comparison video, one against the other. Here we have right here. We have a Dremel model 7300, and we have a HyperTough 8V max. So let's do this quick comparison on these two cordless rotary tools, and I do appreciate you watching. Here are the two items we're going to be going over today, comparing one against the other. Now, they're about the same size, and I bought them at the same store. In fact, I bought these both at Walmart. And the only difference that you can see up front is the Dremel was less than $1 more than the HyperTough. So here's the two boxes. There we go. I'm going to start with the Dremel and pull this one closer to the camera so you can get a kind of a brief look at the box and the packaging. Now, this was around $24.50, somewhere in that range. This is cordless 4.8 volt 2-speed rotary tool, and it comes with 5 accessories. So, if you want to pause the video and check this out, here's the other side. And here's another look at the front. Okay, here is the HyperTough 8V max. Let me get this a little bit closer to the camera here. Pull this out. And again, if you like, you can pause the video and look at the specs on both of these. Here we go. Now, the HyperTough does come with a 40-piece accessory kit. So right off the bat, you can tell that the HyperTough does come with more accessories. Now, the second thing you notice right off the bat, besides the price that I said earlier, is this is a lithium-ion battery, and I'm not sure what kind of battery is in the Dremel. It does not say it's a lithium-ion. I'm sure it would state it if it was. This is the HyperTough is the 8V. The Dremel is a 4.8 volt. So let's go ahead and crack these open and see what they look like. We're going to start with the Dremel. You can see I never opened this before. I'm just going to pop this open right here. Grab something right here so I can break that seal. There we go. What am I doing here? Let's just... There we go. Get this one out of here. Come on, there we go. Okay, here is a little bag. Contains the Dremel accessories. So I'll come back to that. Here is the Dremel. You can see how big it is compared to my hand. Here we have the charging adapter. Pretty basic. And here's the instruction manual. Okay. The weight on this is probably in an instruction manual somewhere, but it doesn't really have it on the side of the box. Oh, 9.2 ounces. Okay, to get the battery off, you just squeeze the side right here and it comes right out. No issues with that. And to put it in the battery charger, you see it has this little lip right here on the side, and it does fit in here specifically a certain way on the charger. There we go. Pretty good. Same way, you squeeze the sides to get it out. Now, I don't know if this is charged up a little bit. Let's try this out, see if it's got a little charge in it. Now, this will only fit back into the Dremel one way. And of course, I'm doing it the wrong way. There we go. Now, does it come with a charge? Yes, it does. It's on low. Now it's on high. Now on low, I don't know if you could hear it. It seems to be dragging a little bit. Maybe it just needs to be broken in. There we go on high again. Very comfortable. Not loud at all. Not loud at all. Very, very lightweight. Pretty comfortable. Okay, it has the lock right here. The shaft lock is right here on the top. And let's go in and unscrew this. And it will hold the locking nut for like the other Dremels has. Just one second, let me grab that. So, I like the red and black. It has air vent holes on each side. Much better than what the Dremel had. Dremel only had it on one side. So that's a good feature. So, let's see how these things perform. I'm going to get a drill bit, and just using the weight of the tool, I'm going to see how it drills into a piece of wood. Let me get that loaded up. I'm going to load up these bits and I'll get right back with you. Okay, I got the HyperTough loaded up with a, I forget what you call this, titanium coated drill bit. This is a bit that is sold by Harbor Freight. It's not the best bit, but for this tutorial purpose, it's going to be okay. Have a piece of pine here, 2x4, and we're going to be drilling into this old piece of pine right here. So just by using the weight of the tool, I'm going to see if it bogs down on, well, to make a fair comparison, we have a high and low 2-speed on this Dremel. We have a 5-speed on the HyperTough. So I'm going to go to 10,000 RPMs on the HyperTough, and I'm going to go to low on the Dremel, and on the high end I'm going to go to 20,000 on the HyperTough, and on the Dremel I'm going to go to the high speed. So I'm going to say that's close enough for this tool comparison. Okay, first for the HyperTough, and turn it on. Just by the weight of the tool, I'm going to see how it drills into this piece of scrap pine. There we go. Okay, I turn that off. Let's try the Dremel. You take the chuck off of here, put it on the Dremel. And I going to insert this in here, and No special. I'm just going to go ahead and turn this up to high instead of low speed. See how this does. Just from the weight of the tool. It is bogging down. So, it bogged down because the battery died on it, so it didn't come with a good charge on it at all. But I got enough information for what I need for this little comparison. HyperTough 8-volt max lithium ion for under $24. A Dremel 7300 without a lithium ion battery for over $24. And of course, I'm not going to know how long these are going to last me. I have no idea until they die, which hopefully be years down the road. Now, I do like the ability to take the battery off of here and charge it up. So, as far as that concerned, that's a plus. But, overall comparison, considering the HyperTough comes with 40 accessory pieces, the Dremel only comes with 5 for almost the same price. Knowing that I'm not going to use it every day, I might use these once every couple of months at the most. I'm sorry, Dremel. I'm sorry, Bosch. I'm going to have to take the HyperTough on this one. Like I said, I might regret that decision later on, but for right now, I got to go with a HyperTough. The main reason is because of the lithium ion battery. Come on, Dremel, which is owned by Bosch. If you had a lithium ion battery in your tool, may have picked yours. This is Carl. I do appreciate you watching my video.